Everybody, it's Danielle from Rosetta Vera. I'm back with a Cora Crea opening. This is Cora Crea Crafts. It is a vintage craft subscription. This is the May box. I've already opened it up so we can jump right into it. So we have her card that lists her Instagram, her actual shop, and her Pinterest. So I opened a box from Cora Crea last month, and I believe last month's theme was anatomy, and this month's theme is supposed to be botanicals or floral. Uh-oh, I see some flowers falling out. So yes, it is something dealing with flowers. So let me open this up. Okay. Alright, so I'm seeing, first of all, some dried flowers in here, on the side here. So I'll wait to get into those stamps. So we have some dried flowers here, that are kind of just free in the box. I really wish these were put in like a tiny envelope, just because some of them have gotten crushed in transit. So I'm probably going to put them in a little envelope or something, a little plastic bag, only because I don't want them to get further damaged. So let me move some of these out of here so we can get into the other items in the box. So there's different kinds here, but yeah, you can see like there's a bunch of petals that are falling out of the paper, which I'm probably gonna have to vacuum later. Then we have this strip of stickers that are on like matte paper, and actually this is just one continuous border sticker, so it's not separate stickers, but you could fussy cut the flowers out if you wanted to. I don't know if I have the patience to do that. I surprised myself. I may, but that's what this is. Then we have some more border sticker here that are, if I'm looking at this correctly, I think it comes off and it's kind of like a lacy lattice pattern. So we have a long strip of that. I believe in last month's box there was a card. Let me see. Yep, it's on this side. So this is the May Flora box. Next month for June it'll be nautical, and it'll include a boat wooden stamp and Creatures of the Sea clear stamp that's created especially for that box. There'll be 2 beautiful sea and nautical themed washi tapes and more. So that's for next month, but this month is the Flora box. So I see here, again, let's wipe off some of those dried flowers. We have a foam stamp here that looks kind of like a stamp, a postal stamp. So that's that one. Then we have another foam stamp here. Again, let me wipe off these dried flowers. And that is another floral pattern on a foam stamp. I'll be honest, I may take the foam off and put a different backing on them, only because I can kind of tell that they're not glued on there the best. So I may take them off the foam. And then we have a wood stamp here that also is a floral theme. And I know you can see that I'm brushing off dried flowers on everything. So that's a tulip. Okay. Next we have some washi tape. So this has foil on it. So I'm seeing like a dragonfly, bumblebee, and some daisies with gold foil on them. Then there's another washi tape. It says Under Mount Fuji, and these are just, looks like tulips in a really faded pattern. Okay. Let's see. Here we have a little pad of different floral pieces of paper. We have some acetate here. I don't think these are stickers. I think they're just acetate borders. So we have cotton here and lotus leaf. We have some buds and butterfly orchids. We see Osmunda. These are like fern leaves. And then the last one is roses, and it says movie star. Then we have some tags here. So you have rose harrow, sandwort spurry. I don't have my glasses on. I think that's the same thorn, and milkwort. So those are like herbs also. I know you see the box. I'm going to get to that in a second. We have some more tags here that are circle tags. And I see mint as the first one. I'm not going to open this up right now. And then we have a stencil in a floral pattern here, like fleur-de-lis. It's very thin. And then we have some papers here. I'm gonna knock off some of these dried flowers. Again, I'm gonna get a bag out the kitchen and try to collect all these flowers into one place. So let's just page through those. And there's like a little couple here. And this is like the cover of a book. Again, this is like the cover of a book. So that's all the papers that came with the kit. And then let's open this final box. I got a feeling I know what it is. I think this is a wax seal. I'll be surprised if it's not. Yep, that's exactly what it is. So it's a little unscrewed, but that's the easy fix to screw it back. And this is a wax seal. And this is the wax. So you just, you could take a lighter or a match. I would probably use a lighter just so you have a little bit of time to burn. You melt the wax onto your paper like in a circular pattern, and then you press the wax seal to emboss it, and it'll leave this bouquet in the wax. Now, one thing I'm seeing is that the wood on the handle has a lot of splinters, so I would say if you get the kit, be careful. You might want to take a little wax paper and sand that down a little bit so you don't get splinters in your fingers. Or you could, if you don't have sandpaper, you could put some tape over it just so the splinters don't get in your hand. But I can feel the texture of the handle, and I can see that happening easily. So that's everything for the May Cora Crea craft box. I didn't renew for next month, only because I have so much stuff coming in. I'm not sure how I feel about this month. I think that the papers are pretty. I think that the wood stamp is nice. I think getting this wax seal thing is great because I've always wanted one. So I think overall, like, I do like the theme, and I like some of the stuff that came in the kit. Not too happy about the whole dry flower thing, and I'm not trying to be nitpicky. It's like, because some of it got ruined because of transit, and also because it's all over everything, and I kind of have to figure out how I'm going to save what I can save. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, and that's just a packaging problem that I just want to flag, that maybe as they're thinking about things that they want to share in their box. I know people are cutting down on plastic, but there are like paper envelopes or something that these kind of things could have gone in, so that they aren't all over the box. But other than that, I do like the floral theme. I think it's very apparent throughout everything that was in the box. And I think if you're a person who is a vintagey type crafter, you would enjoy what's in this box. I would probably say my favorite thing in this box is probably between the washi tape with the gold foil, and I mean, I'm complaining about them, but the dried flowers, because I like dried flowers. So it'd probably be the washi tape, the dried flowers, and the wax kit. So that's it for this month. You know, like my videos, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I do have some other videos coming up. So hope to see you soon. Thanks.